Hey folks, WonderWoman Shelley here. It's April 11th. I've been on the trail exactly 41 days. Everything's going great. I'm actually at mile 592.3. As you can see back there, I got my tent set up. I'm at a shelter, I think it's Helvy's something or other, I don't know. Like I said, mile 592.3. And everything's just going great. I'm feeling really good, really happy, really strong. But you know, my hygiene's had to kind of suffer a little bit. I had to get rid of my razor, and so anyway, you know, but other than that, I think I'm faring pretty well. So, you know, I'm pushing forward. I'm gonna go over to Woods Hole Hostel on Friday. I got a reservation there, so I might be able to take a shower and actually clean up a little bit then. But for now, I'm just, you know, roughing it here in the woods and enjoying every single minute on the AT. Cheers! Hey friends, WonderWoman Shelley back at ya. It is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter. It's what, April 16th, I believe? I think it's the day before tax day. Anyhow, I am just coming up on to McAfee Knob in Virginia. This is the most famous picturesque spot. One of the most picturesque spots on the Appalachian Trail. It's pretty famous. You'll see it in most magazines, and it was in A Walk in the Woods, the movie. Anyhow, I've not yet walked up to actually see what this thing looks like in person. I've only seen it in pictures. So I thought we'd experience this together. I hear some other people up there, so that's a good thing. At least I can have them take some photos, do a few photo ops after the video. But anyhow, let's go take a look. So the trail's behind me, and that was my hand again. Here's what I'm walking up to. So you can see kind of coming up this cool platform of rocks. Overlook pointing this way. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I see a doggy. And sorry for the heavy breathing here. It is definitely a little work doing this. And let's see what we got. Oh boy, there's a bunch of people up here. Let's see. It's gonna be a little windy too. But oh my goodness. Look at this. Woo! Woohoo! Hey folks!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Oh my god! What?
Yeah.
What? Oh my god.
It's gorgeous.
This is rad. WonderWoman Shelley, check it out. Hey folks, Wonder Woman hitting ya. I am officially 1/3 of the way done. Woohoo! I'm at 729.9. Another hiker actually rode it in the dirt. 1/3. I hope you can see that. Brings a little tear to my eye. Oh. Anyway, I just passed through this gate and getting ready to head up a hill now. It's a big pasture. There's another hiker up there. That's Crazy Tree. And anyway, I'm gonna walk up here and keep going. Cheers. Hey folks, Wonder Woman here. It's April 21st and I'm at about mile 755. I know I haven't done a video for a while. I've actually kind of been struggling for the last couple of days. It's beautiful because the sun is shining, but it's so hard to go from a really nasty, cold, rainy day to literally an 80-degree day the next day. Body's having a hard time just kind of, you know, flip-flopping and all, but still doing well. I had to stop here on the trail for a little while just to air out my feet. I'm going to show you this. That's my hand again. I got to stop doing that. But anyway, airing out my feet. You can see how sweaty. I mean, I'm just a sweaty mess. Look at this. Horrible. But everything gets wet and sweaty, like those hairy legs. Nice, yeah. I've got some blisters going on, so I'm trying to use this tape here to help me, but it too just slides off because I'm so sweaty and wet all the time. Yesterday I did about 14 miles and there weren't any water sources until just the very end, so I was very, very happy to see that water. It was like pure magic. Anyway, so I just wanted you guys to see that, you know, this isn't all just like, oh, let's just skip down the yellow brick road. No, this is tough. So for those of you who are, you know, thinking of doing this, you know, prepare. It takes a lot of not only physical strength but a lot of mental strength, and you know, I feel like I'm good in that department, but physically, my body's kind of sore and crapping out a bit, but I'm going to go low and slow. I am determined to complete this journey, and I'll just continue to share with you the good and the bad. I know that, you know, everything that we're posting is pretty much fun, beautiful pictures and all, and it really is gorgeous. But this is one tough undertaking, tough adventure, if you will call it that. All right. Cheers. Hey friends, it's Wonder Woman again. It's still April 21st and decided to go ahead and cut it short today. I'm pulling into a shelter just because it is amazing. It's like the Hilton. So I'm going to give you a quick show of what this looks like. It's amazing. It's called the Bryant Ridge Shelter. It sleeps 20. I've never seen anything like this on all of the trail. But so check this out. You come in from down here. I got my laundry going. I have this place to myself right now. It's amazing. Like, it's just crazy. But you come in on the trail down that way, come up these stairs, you come over and you see this monster. You see this monster shelter. It's like crazy. Big old fire pit area. Look at this thing. It's like amazing. It has a privy, which is a potty, way over there on that trail. But you come up here, you got cooking space. There's all my stuff drying and everything. You gotta climb up. Well, this is a whole huge platform here for sleeping. I got my stuff over here. I see that. But check this out. There's a ladder. So climb up the ladder, and up here is a whole nother level. And there I got my little bed set up, because that's where I'm gonna sleep tonight. I find that when you're upstairs, there's not as many mice. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick video of this. I'm gonna get back down this ladder here without killing myself. Here we go. So anyway, I'm gonna sleep here tonight. Cheers.